meeting is now being recorded.
Thank you one and all for taking part in this session. Today we are going to talk about our brand new SAP One Support Launchpad as well as our redesigned SAP Support portal as well. My name is Girish and I come from a team which is known as Customer Interaction Center in SAP. We are the first point of contact for all SAP customers with reference to some of the non-technical issues which you come across on a daily basis. Moreover, we also give sessions to the customers with reference to the support portal, with reference to the Launchpad and many other aspects here. Today we are going to talk about our new SAP Support portal, how it has been redesigned over a period of time.
Connect. Please tap
Over there. So today's session will have two parts. One is with reference to the presentation, what we are going to show to you.
Please hold while I confirm your passcode. 0.
So today we are going to talk about our new SAP Support portal as well as the features available over there. What are the navigation you have to do and how frequently you can go ahead and access those features. Once the presentation is done, we will give you the actual demonstration for new SAP One Support Launchpad. And apart from that, we also touch base on the Launchpad, that is SAP One Support Launchpad.
Please hold while I confirm your passcode. 0.
Hello.
Yeah, please go on. There seems to be some disturbance, but please go on.
Yes. Right. So to begin with, I will start with the presentation what we have prepared for today's session. As you all know, the new SAP Support portal has come into existence in the month of March and April last week as well as the first week of April. So the new features which we're going to talk about in the coming slides will have a different color combination as well as a different kind of navigation, completely different from the earlier support portal what we have got here. And today's will include all the presentation topics here, which includes your introduction to the new SAP portal, what are the changes that have taken place, and important areas of navigation, and some of the reasons changes here. So to begin with, yes, we will include the features topic here. And here what happens is that you should be able to find out the introduction part of our home page here. The new link will remain as the earlier one itself. So that is the link will be known as support.sap.com. So there will not be any changes at all in the new link for the new support portal. But if you look into the screen here, the navigation as well as the look and feel of the screen is completely different. So we have got all the drop-down menus available in the black color drop here, which includes the My Support, Release, Upgrade and Maintenance Information, Tools, Offerings and Programs, SAP Solution Manager, etc. like that. And next to that, you have got Search for the Answers, where you can go ahead and look out for some of the technical documentation, as well as you can also look out for expert search option here itself. So we have given a position for the expert search there also. The main advantage of the search for answers is that yes, if you have any note number, you can go ahead and type in that note number directly, and only that particular note number will be available for you. And in case if you want to go ahead and search for the documentation, yes, you can go ahead and put in the key search areas or the key search words over there, hit on the search option, and yes, you should be able to get into the search area, which will include our documentations as well as some of the technical know-how. All the documentation related features will be coming in the result screen. And coming to this drop-down, apart from the search for the answers, we have got one more area. What is the efficient task, what you're going to use on a daily basis that has been lined up. So you have got SAP One Support Launchpad link over there. You can go ahead and create an incident, view the incidents, download the software, etc. The main logic or the main idea behind is that the frequently used task or the most critical task which a customer uses on a daily basis has been given a direct link under this particular section here. So you don't have to go and toggle between different tabs in search area or in any other drop-down menus in the top side menu area here. No, that hassle has been completely avoided. And if you are having quick access here, yes, you can just go ahead and perform one click and you should be able to report an incident, view your incidents or download the software or search for the product documentation, etc. So that type of quick navigation as well as quick access has been given in this particular second part of the screen. Moving on to the next slide, that is navigation highlights. We have included main section of the screen under this particular area here, which includes, as I stated earlier, My Support, release, upgrade and maintenance information, tools, etc. Why it is important is that yes, you will have some of the detailed approach towards the support offerings here or your overview of the Launchpad here or any other topic which you want to go in a detailed manner. Yes, the approach has been given in this particular section here. So you have got starting with overview, which talks about the diagnostic tools here. Because why we are looking only into this particular tab is that I have taken the example as tools here. Tools is one of the important area which we have added very recently into this support portal. Here what happens is that any customer who is interested in running the diagnostic tools, performing the troubleshooting aspect with the help of our automated note search or the performance of the highlighted and apart from that, you have got remote support aspect, maintenance of the SAP router, service connection issue. Anything you want to know about the tools or the remote connection aspect, everything will be given under this tools aspect here. And finally, you have got a software logistics tools, includes the system maintenance, system etc. So that type of so this is one of the important navigation highlights here. We have section. Homepage, yes. Homepage will be here. I have given the comparison between the earlier support portal and the new support portal, what we have gone live recently. If you look into the earlier support portal, we had our masthead under this particular tab. So we had started off with knowledge-based incidents, key system installations, and it used to go on like that. Comparatively, when it comes to the new SAP Support portal, we have given a completely reimagined that particular step here. So you have got My Support here, which includes overview, incidents, knowledge base, etc. It goes on like that, and release, upgrade, maintenance information, etc. So the main idea behind this rebranding or reimagining all these steps is that yes, customers should be able to go ahead and find the information in a very easy manner as well as in one single particular place. So if you compare to the earlier support portal, yes, the information was scattered here and there, but now we have made steps so that the information can be made available under one particular section only, instead of going for other areas or toggling between two different screens. So that hassle will be completely avoided under this new SAP Support. Next, the slide is related to our navigation or home page as well as second part of the navigation. The main advantage of this new SAP Support portal link is that it is compatible with our mobile devices as well. So what happens is that if you are using your mobile devices, whether it's iOS or Android based device, nothing matters. So whatever device you use, the link is compatible with these two platforms. So you can go ahead and start browsing the portal as well as raise an incident and perform many other activities with the help of this navigation in the mobile devices. If you look into the second screenshot here, which is there towards the right hand section, any typical mobile screen will have this type of user interface for the customer. So you have got search for the answers as well as some of the drop-down menus which are there in the right-hand section that will be visible to the customers whenever they are using the mobile devices for launching the ticket or any other applications into the support. So here what happens is that, yes, so this is one of the new initiative what we have taken, because day by day the mobile is becoming the mainstream any IT support, etc. So without mobile, nothing is gonna come into existence. So based on that changes, we have gone ahead and made the mobile compatibility a big boon for this particular support portal what we have gone live. Right? And apart from that, we have got some of the reasons also. Like the main reason behind it is that yes, SAP had so many other portals also. Apart from our support portal, we had help.sap.com, SEN platform was there, so which was a community link, etc. So these all these portals had a different navigations here, and we thought, okay, why not we go ahead and make it a unified experience for the customer. So based on that aspect only, we have gone ahead and made changes to the existing support portal, and we have taken the steps as well as measures so that the navigation is simpler and it is on par with the other SAP portals, that is community network portal as well as help portal. So wherever you go, you will have the same approach towards the data which is available, or towards the information what you're going to look into it. The navigation will be similar, and you will be able to find the information in a very easy manner across all the platforms here. Like if you look into the presentation here, you have got all the screenshots right from our SAP support portal to the SEN platform as well as the help.sap.com here. So the navigation is simpler, and it will always have a top approach to the bottom screen here. So the more you come towards the bottom part of the screen here, you will have different features as well as different areas which you will be able to explore for further information from the portal side. Okay. And so this was about our reasons for the change here. And apart from that, yes, what will happen to the Launchpad? Yes, if you're aware, yes, we had gone live with the Launchpad approximately an year ago. Before that, we had again the older version of the support portal. So here, what happens? Launchpad. Yes, the Launchpad is continue to exist. So there will not be any effect, or we are not going to shut down the support, the Launchpad here. No, the Launchpad will continue to exist, and users still can go ahead and log into the Launchpad, and you will be able to still raise an incident, download the software, open the system connections, perform system maintenance activity, whatnot. So whatever critical as well as most day-to-day activity you're going to perform, yes, that can be continued with the help of this Launchpad here. But again, yes, it will be much easier when you use or when you get used for this new support portal. So because here what happens is that you will be working on the Launchpad-based applications, which are mostly theory-based applications. But when you go to the support portal, you will have much more information which can be accessed. Rather than coming back here and just raising the incident and downloading the software, which is more of a practical daily work for you, you can depend on the depend on the support portal here, and you can start exploring different options available over there. So again, apart from that, you will be having existing single sign-on, which will be attached for your user ID. So what will happen to that? Yes, the single sign-on will also continue to exist, and it will not be different when you're logged in or migrated to the new support portal link. No, whatever existing single sign-on will be there, it is going to be applicable for the new SAP support portal link as well. And again, with the help of this Launchpad as well as the support portal, yes, the groupings of the functions will be very easy. As I stated earlier, yes, if you see into this screen, yes, this is how the groupings will be done in the new support portal application. So it will be very easy to navigate with the help of this new SAP support portal application. Okay, and yes, to describe our portal here, yes, the look and feel of the new support portal is less busy and simple, task specific, etc. So these are some of the words what we have used here. These words are very meaningful in nature, and you don't have to worry about where to find what type of information. No, that has been completely rebranded with a new SAP support portal. And finally, in this part of the slide, you will have engagement with the social support here, because as we are moving towards in our social life, we are more dependent on our social media network also. Nowadays, yes, social media is playing a much important role. It has grown beyond simply sharing the photos or commenting on our friends' pictures and any other activity. It has come into the existing corporate life as well. So you can go ahead and get the help of our SAP support people from the social media platform as well. And you can engage with this hashtag, that is SAP support, hashtag SAP support. You will be able to find the answers, as well as some of the technical queries can be answered on the Twitter platform, and you can also find interesting information on our social media page, that is on the Facebook as well as on the YouTube, and we are much in advanced version of this LinkedIn page as well. So wherever you go, yes, you can go ahead and follow us, and our technical team members will be able to help you with your technical as well as non-technical queries what we have got on the support portal. To specify, yes, we are there on this hashtag, that is at SAP Support Help as well as SAP Cloud Support on the Twitter platform, and we have got our own SAP Product Support page on the Facebook front. So this is our social media addresses here, and finally, yes, we have got feedback gathering for the new support portal as well. As you all know, yes, the feedback channel is open for another a week's time, because we are going to live on the April first week onwards. So you will have the golden opportunity to share your feedback on the new SAP support portal, and this is how you will be able to go ahead and present those information to us. Your feedback will be valued, and we will be going to continuously improve our services with the help of the Launchpad as well as our support portal here. So this is the presentation of what we have got for us, new SAP support portal here. And before I proceed further, I would like to get some questions on this presentation, what we have done.
So you can press *6 to unmute yourself, or use the chat box to post your questions. So are there any questions? If yes, you can post it on the chat box, or press *6 to unmute your line and ask it. So I unmuted everyone. So if you have any questions, please go ahead. So Santosh, which URL are you asking?
All right, Mr. Santosh, you would like to know the new URL for the support portal. The new URL will be the same as the earlier one, that is support.sap.com. When you log on to the portal, yes, you will have a different user interface. I'm going to give you a practical demonstration of this new support portal after.
Answer, very good. Very good. Yeah, Girish, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much. So we are in the second part of our session today here. So here I'm going to give you a practical session on how this new SAP support portal will look like. So this is the landing page of our new SAP support portal. But before I come into this section, I would like to give you a brief introduction about the old support portal as well. So till date, we were all using this support link, that is support.sap.com, and this was the usual screen what we used to get once we log into the SAP user ID. But if you come down here, yes, you have got the different links and the tabs available here for variety of topics. And we had gone ahead and given the quick tiles for some of the critical tasks which is on a frequent use on a daily basis across all the customer base here. And after that, we had highlights which talks about what are the features as well as the new information which has to be highlighted by SAP that used to come and reflect here. And finally, we had the SAP Spotlight news as well as what and all the subscriptions you have given for your user ID that used to come under this particular section here. And towards your right hand section you will have all the some of the important notifications new to SAP support and community based notifications etc. used to be here. But now yes, we have gone to the next generation of the support portal, and that was known under this section, that is the new SAP support portal launches on 31st March. So we are already in the beta phase now, that is in the preview phase, as well as customers still can go ahead and use the existing applications over there, and the new portal will be coming into this section here. And if you look into the link will be remain the same, support.sap.com, and as it is a testing phase, yes, we are in the beta version, and you can go ahead and start using the applications here. So this is the brand new homepage of our SAP support portal here, and so we will be going live in the next 3 to 4 days time frame, and that's why you're having this numbers here, that is 3 days. So in the next 3 days, we are going to live with this brand new SAP support portal here. So yes, if you closely look into the screen, yes, so the top part of the section will have the usual main menus coming under this section, that is My Support will be there, and the Release, Upgrade, Maintenance, the Tools section, Offerings and Programs, Solution Manager, etc. So I'm going to come into that tab after a couple of minutes now onwards, but here the highlight will be search for the answer. As I have stated in my presentation just around 10 or 15 minutes ago, yes, this is one of the important area what we have given to the customers. You can straight away come into this section, enter your search items, which will be anything, whether you're looking out for a technical documentations or any other note number you are having at your end. You can just enter that, hit on the search option, and yes, you should be able to get that particular result coming into your screen straight away. And also we have given access for the expert search here itself. You can go ahead and search for the SAP note numbers from the Launchpad here. You can set your own filters based on the topic of your choice, so that you can save that filter and keep refreshing that filter as and when the new note numbers are added, so that your filter also gets enriched with those particular note number section itself. And coming back here, yes, you have got quick access to some of the most critical tasks a customer performs on a day-to-day basis. So we have got the One Support Launchpad overview here, report an incident, view incidents, etc. If you're looking to this two tiles here, we have got two view incident option here. That is one for view incident, which solely concentrates on our ERP, CRM or traditional SAP products, that type of incidents here. View success factor incidents is nothing but all the cloud-based success factor technical incidents can be viewed under this particular tab here. So technically speaking, there are two inboxes available for you. One for the classical SAP ERP or CRM related products here, and second for the success factor related products here. And you have got, apart from that, you have got your downloading of the software, manage users, that is including your user ID, requesting of the license keys, as well as managing of the remote connection, which includes opening of your remote connection, R3, WTS, etc. That search for some of the product documentation, which includes the product guides as well as installation guides, etc. And also some of the cloud status dashboards such as success factors or Ariba or UID. That type of product details can be found out under this section. And here in the coming section we have got features. So this is one of the dynamic area here because the content will keep on refreshing under this particular section here. We have got highlighted areas of expert chat here where you can go ahead and chat with our experts if you are having any technical problems SAP product like that. And apart from that, features also it also features about some of our guidance, including the digital strategy of SAP for the coming days, as well as some of the SAP Enterprise Support Academy features that will be always highlighted under this section. Spotlight screen. It is similar to the earlier screen what we saw just a few minutes ago. Here also, yes, you can go ahead and find out the information what your SUser ID has been subscribed for, so that will be available under this section. And apart from that, we have got one more important section that is known as community. So we have given a prominent place for the community section here. So we have got two community links here, that is SAP community and SAP Success Factors community here. You can go ahead and start following these two community platforms itself here. You will be able to get both the technical as well as functional related to the products which are there with the Success Factors as well as with the SAP community here. And finally, resources. So this is one important area here where you will be able to understand how the new SAP support portal works here and what are the FAQ sections are available for you, some of the direct links to our YouTube channel here, help with SAP support application, so that if you are having any doubt on how to use any support application, you can always refer this particular option here and usability program. Like if you want to improve the support, you can go through the details available here, and if you still want to go ahead and contact the support team over there, like if you want to advise or if you want to show any improvement can be done to SAP applications, yes, you can go ahead and use this particular email ID, that is supportusability@sap.com, and you can tell them, okay, for this particular application, this is what is there, but we still can go ahead and improvise that. So that type of suggestions we are almost welcome on any of the topic here, and you can go ahead and start using this email ID to convey your feelings on the support portal as well as applications to the responsible colleagues here. And also we have got a support setup services PDF is there where you can go ahead and find out the details of the services which are there for your customer engagement that will be available here. Security white paper. So this is one of the technical area where you can go ahead and find out security white papers for some of the SAP products. So that will be available under this section. And finally, if you look into the blue color tab or the bar here, yes, you have got the statement stating that welcome to the preview site of new SAP support portal. And if you are having any feedback, yes, you can go ahead and use this option, tell us what you think. And you can also see the blogs available here, the public blogs here, and you can go ahead and find out some of the interesting communications as well as discussions happening with our blog series available here. So you will also get complete details about the presentation as well as the details what I'm sharing across under this particular blog section itself. So this is about a brief walk around. And in the second part of the demo session, I would like to show you the My Support application here. The moment you click on this My Support application, you have got overview here. Under the overview, yes, you will have SAP One Support Launchpad support applications and Launchpad release information, everything will be there. So let us explore one of the tabs, that is overview here. The moment you click on that overview option, this is your screen will be appearing here, and you'll be able to find out SAP One Support Launchpad introduction, enter the Launchpad, which you'll be getting into this the Launchpad section available over there, and also the support application. So you'll be able to find out the meanings of the applications, like what you mean by knowledge base, what are the incidents, how we can go ahead and do the software downloads. So those technical information will be available for you under this section here. And again, we will have the release information of the Launchpad. 2016, what was the major releases happened, 2017, what are the different releases which are going to come into the picture, so that will be available here. And also you can, if you want to register for a demo session of the Launchpad, yes, you can go ahead and register yourself under this particular link available here. Finally, help and resources, yes, it will tell you how to use the new support portal as well as the applications under this section. And finally, you have got your acquired company channels like Ariba is there, Fieldglass, SAP Support. So these are some of the different products what we have acquired over a period of time, and the details are there under this particular section. And again, I would like to highlight one more interesting aspect here. The navigation is quite simple. You can click on any one of the support heading here, and your screen will get into that particular corner of that application straight away. So you don't have to depend on your mouse and scroll up and down. So that has been completely avoided if you use this particular section straight away here. So this is one of the important aspects of One Support Launchpad here. And I would like to take you back to the home page of our One Support Launchpad here. What happened? I would like to show you difference between the this drop-down menu here and also the differences. This is quick tiles available here. So here what happens is that, let's take an example. I want to report an incident. So I'll come here and I'll click on this report and view incident. So what happens? So I will get a complete details of both what you mean by reporting of an incident, and that type of steps will be there. So this is extremely helpful if a customer is using the SAP One Support Launchpad on a first time basis. So he will be able to find out the steps and follow those steps whenever raising an incident. And also he can also find out the details related to the expert chat when it comes into the picture, and all those information will be available for him. So this is one way. And what happens if he comes back and starts raising an incident straight away from the section here? So I'm going to click on that option, and you will be able to find out, it will straight away take us to the incident creation step here. So this is the actual Launchpad, that is SAP One Support Launchpad, where you will be raising an incident to get the technical assistance. So this is how you will be able to find out the difference between the usage of direct links here and exploring the options available from these particular stocks. Right? So this is about our major changes what we have designed based on the customer feedback we have received over a period of time. Coming back to this My Support, again, you have got all the critical tasks which has been lined up under this section that will be available here. And if you find, if you compare between this option and this option, yes, so we had given all different tabs for different critical tasks. But now we have lined up under one particular tab only, that is My Support, where most of the critical as well as daily tasks has been given in this particular area. So you can go ahead and raise an incident, download the software, do the system maintenance activities, perform the user management. Everything can be done with the help of this with the help of this My Support option available. Similarly, we have got a release, upgrade, maintenance information, which includes our release strategy, the product availability matrix. This is one important area which I want to highlight here. Here what happens is that this product availability matrix, you will be getting regular information about the software releases, like when is the planned availability, maintenance durations, upgrade paths, etc. So that will be available here. And apart from that, you have got upgrade information as well. So you'll be able to find out detailed upgrade information related to what are the softwares available and spotlight news available, and all the details will be there for your quick reference here. So this is about our upgrade information coming. And apart from that, we have got maintenance information also, like what are the maintenance strategies of SAP products and how we can get involved in that. So these are the different tabs available for you. So products today, the roadmap, get involved, learn about what the other customers have to say about the different SAP products, etc. will be there. More information talks about the release strategy, the maintenance planner, SAP Enterprise Support, Solution Manager, etc. So those will be always highlighted in this corner of the view. Again, I had talked about the tools aspect when the presentation was going. So the tools tab we have designed separately under this new SAP Support portal here. Why this is important is that will help any customer to go ahead and start exploring the diagnostic tools and troubleshooting tools, connectivity tools, etc. So these are different tools available for you to run your systems in a smoother manner. And also, most importantly, we have this troubleshooting tools here, so which will help you in searching the nodes on your own. That is known as automated node search tool here, and also the performance assistant node from the KPSS. We call it as PAN here. So these two are the most powerful applications which are there for you, where you can go ahead and find out the node for the technical issues which you are facing, and also how to implement that. So those information will be very easily available under these two options here. And apart from that, we have got a NetWeaver support tool as well as landscape analysis utility tool under this section. And the business intelligence or the business object customer, you have got a BI platform support tool and flexible log reader, which will be more towards business objects related products here. Connectivity tool, yes, this is exclusively related to the SAP's remote connection. Yes, you can go ahead and explore options related with routers, the service connectors, semi-automatic service lines, etc. And finally, you have got software logistics tools, system provisioning tools. So these are some of the different tools available for you. Altogether, with the help of this tool section, you will be able to find out interesting aspects about how we can perform the diagnostics on your own, how we can go ahead and search for the technical node number for the technical issue what you're facing, run your connectivity tools, and perform the software logistics tools analysis on your own. So that can be easily made available from this tool section. And apart from that, yes, we have got offerings here where you can find out the details of SAP Enterprise Support, the preferred care. So these are some of the variety of support offerings available for the customers. And you can also find out details related to the SAP Enterprise Support Academy, where you can go ahead and register for some of the online courses happening throughout the year, which are free of cost services from SAP for the SAP Enterprise Support customers. So whatever support offerings you want to find out, yes, this is the place where you can find all the end-to-end details available here. Finally, the solution manager, yes, we have given the prominent place for the solution managers as well here. So you can find out interesting details about the solution manager 7.2, what are the documentations available. Yes, you can go ahead and find out the details also, and some of the tools which can be integrated with solution manager that can be found out very easily from this particular page. And finally, towards your right-hand section, you will have your contact us information. So this is nothing but, yes, you can go ahead and get in touch with our technical assistants, report an incident, as well as non-technical assistants, where you can call us, you can chat with us, or you can mail us to get answered your non-technical queries. And also feedback. Yes, any feedback to the portal, you can go ahead and use this particular channel here, and our support portal support portal maintenance team will be able to take the note of that and do the necessary activities in the backend system as well. So this is about our SAP's One Support Launchpad here, SAP's support platform here. And as I stated earlier, we have got a Launchpad section as well. So this is the Launchpad section here, and as you know, the link will be different comparatively. So the new link is known as launchpad.support.sap.com. These are all very much integrated with the support portal what we have showed to you just a while ago. Whatever application you use in the support portal, everything will be coming and exploring under this option here. Whether you want to raise an incident from the support portal, yes, your interface will be the Fiori application, which are given under this Launchpad here. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and select only those tiles which is important for you under this Launchpad here, and you can go ahead and do that with the help of this personalized option here, where you can go ahead and get huge list of tile catalogs available for you. So you can go ahead and mention, or you can select what are the tiles which you want to put that in the home page. That will be easily found out under this section. Like for example, if you just simply click on this icon here, you can go ahead and find out the different group for you coming under this section. You can select any one of the group available for you here, click on the save option, and yes, the tile will be successfully transformed into the home page. So let us select one of the options here. I'm going to save this option. So this plus mark will become a tick mark here. That means that yes, this particular tile has been activated into my extension. So I'll go back to the home page here, and this is the tile that I had just a while ago selected to get into my home page here. So this way you will be able to go ahead and perform or implement only those tiles which is activated or which is helpful for you in your day-to-day business activity. And this is about our Launchpad section. So one single screen, yes, you can go ahead and position all the tiles available for your quick reference. So this is about our SAP One. And finally, I would like to draw your attention towards the different channels of SAP Support here. And as I stated earlier, we are targeting for a unified experience across all the different platforms here. So this is the home page of our SAP One Support Launchpad here, and also you can go ahead and find out the same way of navigation under this community link also here, as well as our SAP Help portal here. So wherever you go, you will have a unified navigation under all the SAP platforms, whether it's Support portal, whether it's Help portal or Community portal. Yes, the drop down will be there for your quick reference, and you can easily identify what information you want to go ahead and find out. So that will be available very easily from all the sections here. Okay. So this is about our SAP's home page as well as our support portal here. And any questions? I'm open for the questions and answer questions.
So are there any questions for Girish? If yes, you can please ask or use the chat box to post it.
Vicky.
Nilesh, you have a question?
Vicky.
Hello? So I see Anil is typing a question. So let's wait for.
कॉन्फ्रेंस चालू कर. हाँ विषय
So Girish.
आगन दे सर.
So Girish.
हाँ.
So Girish, Anil has a question. For what type of support should we use expert chat?
See, the expert chat comes into the picture when you are having technical queries. Like for example, you have some issues related with your transaction code which is not giving you proper results. So that type of technical query, we can go ahead and use the expert chat. And the beauty of this expert chat is that it will come to your rescue when you're using the SAP's raising of a technical incident here, that is reporting of an incident. So the moment you select your component for the issue what you want to raise, the expert, there is a button will be there, that small pop-up button will be there, start expert chat. You can start chatting with a technical expert. Remember, you are chatting with a technical expert only, and it is not an automated machine typing. No, you will be talking with our SAP expert only, that's the technical engineer, and if the solution can be given over the chat itself, it will be helpful for you. And what happens after that? You can go ahead and start implementing the solution what he has given, etc. like that. And in case if the issue is complex and needs some thorough analysis, etc. like that, you can also go ahead and tell the engineer to, okay, take your time and we'll have the details coming back to you like that later. But what happens is that in both the cases, like when the solution is ready as well as when the solution is not ready, our SAP experts will go ahead and raise an incident on your behalf. So you don't have to complete the entire process of creating an incident. Your step will go through until the area where you will be going and selecting that particular component. And after that, our SAP expert will go ahead and raise an incident from his side. So that's the most advantageous part of having an SAP expert chat.
So there are still people typing in questions, so we'll just wait for. So Sanjay, I don't know why you missed the session. So what I'll do is I'll share the recording of the session with you, and if you have any questions, you can email it to us, or we can take your queries offline. So we'll share the recording and slides of this. Yeah, we'll share it with everyone. So I don't know, Santosh, which webinar you're talking about, because the last webinar was postponed because of the unavailability of the speaker. But for this webinar, I assure you that you will receive the slides and recording. So thank you, everyone. I think there are no further questions. So thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone, for taking time and joining us for this session. And thank you, Girish, for doing this for Indus members. And if you have any further questions, you can always reach out to us at admin@induscommunity.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you, Girish. Thanks.
Thank you, everyone, for having joined this session. Thank you.